bag of hardware. That's the little rubber trim that goes around the top. You can give you a little pair of gloves, you know, these edges can be sharp. They do have plastic on them, so they have it packed up. And then there's the side panels and the cross rods. Cardboard, save that. You can use this cardboard. The bottom is a weed blocker. If you do want to have some other cardboard, we'll be adding too. So let's get this put together. Yeah, you see it's got that protective film on it, which helps obviously protect the edges too. Edges are rolled, so they shouldn't be too sharp. These edges might be a little, you still don't feel that. See how they're rolled? So if you want to go ahead before you start putting things together, you need that. It'll eventually, you know, some people might think leave it on there, but it'll eventually turn into, it'll start coming off in the sun. All right, hand tighten them all down. I'm going to put all pieces together before I actually tighten it, so I can make sure everything's level, and then I'll tighten them all down with the impact drill. Okay, so here we have the VEGEGA 6.5 feet by 2 feet by 17 inches tall, which is just about right height. Yeah, you're going to have to kneel. You're definitely not going to be standing while you're working on these, or you could, but you're going to be bent over. We filled it, as you'll see here in the video. I'll throw in some stuff of us assembling it, or me assembling it. It's got good stainless steel hardware. It came with extras, that was a plus. It's got the protective layer on the top, but they do have rolled edges, so they're not sharp. I mean, I guess you could potentially cut yourself if you tried pretty hard, but filled the bottom with some wood and some other scrap material from around the property, and then put about 5 bags of garden soil in here. Of course, I will have to be adjusting that because this will, you know, over time sink. We planted it out with our fall garlic in here for now. Probably cycle something in it different next year, but the plan is to build, put up several of these in this area of our yard to take advantage of the area that's really not being used for much, and get some food production out of it. So the VEGEGA brand, I went with them because well, I reached out to VEGEGO. They never got back to me. Sent several emails, no response. So I reached out to VEGEGA, and they agreed to partner as an affiliate. And so we went with them. We're going to give them a good test. The only real good way to test this stuff is through time, right? The no-name brand ones that we purchased also off of Amazon but haven't put up yet. You know, most likely the material thickness is thinner and they may not hold up as long, or that's my initial assessment, but we'll see over time how this holds up. And of course, if you've followed along this channel at all, you know that, you know, I tend to look at things kind of initially, do a later look 6 to 12 months later, and then even if I'm really impressed, I might do some other videos further out, you know, 2 to 3 to 5 years even. But with all that, you can check this out all. Of course, there'll be links below to our website, theravenwoodacres.com. There's an affiliate page there. If you're interested in, of course, I always recommend shop around and, you know, follow along, look for sales. They are having a fall sale right now, so you can check that out. And as always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more great videos.